Hello, I'm Barkley Roper with Tiger Capital Management, a registered investment advisor here in the state of Idaho, bringing you your weekly trend update, helping you stay on the right side of the market. A lesson from investment history can be found in Roger Lowenstein's book, When Genius Failed, The Rise and Fall of Long-Term Capital Management. Here we read the following, quote, "How could investors be so certain that markets would always be liquid? Clareman feared that investors were turning a blind eye to the consequences of outlier events, such as the sudden disturbances and occasional crashes that historically have always upset the best laid plans of investors. In general, Clareman warned, successful investors have positioned themselves to avoid the 100-year flood. Increasingly, that way of thinking has become passé." Turning to long-term capital management, Clareman noted that given its projected leverage, even a single serious mistake would put a major dent in the fund's capital. Two major errors at the same time, of course, would be catastrophic, close quote. In 1997, the Asian financial crisis occurred, followed by the 1998 Russian financial crisis. These two events put into motion long-term capital management's catastrophic losses of $4.6 billion in less than 4 months, requiring financial intervention by the Federal Reserve, and its inevitable close in early 2000. One takeaway from this historic example is to never get overconfident in your trading plan because unforeseen events will happen. So let's go ahead and look at our long-term trends for today, starting out with U.S. stocks, represented by the S&P 500. Okay, we can see here that price is down this morning, but still above the 50-day moving average and still well above the 200-day moving average. So we're still in a confirmed uptrend with U.S. stocks. Foreign stocks, we can see that the price now is below the 50-day moving average, but still above the 200-day moving average. And so we're still also in a confirmed uptrend with foreign stocks. Real estate investment trusts, we can see that last week we had the 50-day moving average cross over the 200-day moving average, which typically is a sign of strength in an uptrend. But we can see that price has come down over the last weeks from its previous peak right there. But we're still, price is still above the 50, still above the 200-day moving average, so we're still in a confirmed uptrend with real estate investment trusts. Commodities. Right here, we can see that price has is just right at the 200-day moving average. It's come off its most recent high right there. The 50-day moving average is still below the 200-day moving average, and so we're still in a confirmed downtrend in commodities. Bonds. Here we can see that last week the 50-day moving average crossed over the 200, which is also typically a sign of strength and an uptrend. We did previously have this area of resistance, price resistance, which it has not broken above. And so once again, for this week, we are still in a confirmed downtrend with bonds. Let's go ahead and look at that one more time. U.S. stocks are in a confirmed uptrend. Foreign stocks are in a confirmed uptrend. Real estate investment trusts are in a confirmed uptrend. Commodities are in a confirmed downtrend. And bonds continue to be in a confirmed downtrend. So that wraps it up for today. I'm Barkley Roper with Tiger Capital Management, bringing you your weekly trend update, helping you stay on the right side of the market. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to call or email me. Thanks, and we'll see you next week.